In this lesson, we are going to learn how to record video with this robot perfectly running. And as you can see, the video is plenty because we want HD by 1080. Hi, welcome to a product tutorial by Robojax. This is SunFounder's PICAR-X Raspberry Pi self-driving robot car kit.
Hello friend, how are you? Turn left here. Count down to 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, run. I lost.
When you come to docs.sunfounder.com, you will see this page. Scroll down. Under the robot kit, you will find PICAR-X car kit version 2 with battery. Click on that. On the left side, you will see different options. Select play with Python. And number 9 is record video. And we are going to run this command. We can go to the port 9000 of the IP address with /mjpg, and we can run it. But this must be run through remote desktop, and we can press Q to begin recording video and E to stop it. And importing all these elements that is needed via library and read character. And this is the manual that is displayed on the screen, Q, E, and S. So this is a method that will be called to print the value on the screen with a message. This is the main. The main is called when the program starts from here. So this calls the main. And initially we set the record flag to stop and vname video name to none, and then the record set video path, it detects it automatically. It sets it at home, Pi, and then videos, and then the camera starts with vertical and horizontal flip as false, and then local and web display or streaming is set to true with some delay, and then it prints the manual, which means it will print this text on the screen for instruction, and then we read the keyboard and convert it to lowercase, whatever we press, and we check if it is Q. So this is F. Q is for record, and if you press it, record, pause, and continue. So Q starts from here, F up to here. So because that's Q. And inside the Q, we have 3 F condition, 1 F and else if, and then else if. So when we press Q, all of these are possible to be executed. Now we look at the flag of recording. If it is initially stop, at the beginning it is stopped here. You see the record flag is stopped. Then we set the record flag. If it was equal stop, we set it to start. Pay attention. And if it was else, if it was start, then we do something else. Now let's have a look. Because initially it's stop, then we set it to start, and then we get the time. From this time we create this string format. We call it video name. and then video name goes to this method, which is inside vide library, and passes, so it will create the name, and this will record, run video, and start video. So this is record video, run. This will initialize it, and this will start recording, and this will print the text on the screen. Now, if already you have started it, and if you press the Q again, it means it was started, and now we want to pause. And then it runs the pause, which means we stop portion of the video and will attach the next recording to the video, and will print this text on the screen. It says print overwrite, and print overwrite is in here, which will attach our new text on the screen. If it was pause, if the Q was pressed before, then we set the flag to start, and the video will start, and the continue will display on the screen. Now, if the record, the key we pressed is equal E, and the flag is equal not equal stop, this means not equal stop, then we set the key equal none, and then we stop the recording, flag equal to stop, and then we stop the recording using this method, and then we print this, which will tell the user where is the video recorded, the location. And if we press quit or E key, escape key, which is for quit here, it reset. If it's Control C or escape key, then we close the camera, print this on the screen as quit, and the loop will break and will not continue. First, let's find out the IP address of our robot. Go to PowerShell, right click and run as administrator, and let's type ping -4 robojax.local. that is the host name that I set. IP address is 192.168.0.102. Open VNC player. We have shown you how to install it. And 192.168.0.102. Enter the IP address. You will get the warning, accept it. Enter your username and the password. I've selected username and password, and then click OK. Here is our screen. Go to the terminal. On the desktop, click on the terminal, type cd PICAR-X. I press tab to complete it, and then type EX, and then tab example and dir. We are running record video, this number 9. Sudo python 3.9 dot, and then complete. I'm running it. Now the screen have been opened, and so the camera is open. Now to start recording, we press Q. The same Q will start, pause, and continue, and E is for stop. So let me move this screen here. So we need to press Q for recording. Pause, also press Q. If you want to move the screen something, this is my hand now. And if you want to just press E to stop. Now I'm pressing, you must be on this active screen. If you are on this screen, the command will not work. So you have to be here, and I'm pressing Q. And recording has started. Here, I'm just putting my hand for demonstration purpose. And then I'm pressing Q again. Now the recording is paused. I'm pushing it toward the door, Q again, and recording is started again. And press E, so the recording is stopped. And then press Ctrl X once and then twice. So press Ctrl C to exit. Now, the video that we recorded is located, if I open the file manager, and here we can go to videos, and the last one that I recorded is this one. Let's double click on it and open it here. This is the video that we recorded. Let's just watch it. Perfect. So that was the recording, and this is the playback. So this was paused now. Now I'm booting directly from Raspberry Pi to monitor. Let's open the files by clicking on File Manager. Let's go to videos, and here are the recorded videos. And if I click this one, for example, it shows very well, perfectly running, and no problem at all. And here is the recording. If I click and open it, you see that the video is playing very well. It was due to VNC over the network that was causing the delay and slacking in the video. And here, if we come to GitHub, Picamera2 official repository, we can go to examples and see here tons of examples. And I've taken so many of these values. For example, we can do time lapse and use this configuration and then do the time lapse. The most important part that I like the most is easy capture. So using this easy capture, you can just capture photo easily, and easy video, simple. Just import this and then create an object from this class. From this, create an object, and then say from this object, Picam2 dot start and record video and the name, and then whatever duration that you want. It's as simple as that. So let's use this. So let's create a new file. I call it video easy so I don't forget. Double click and open it, and right click, paste. It did not work. Now right click, paste. Let's go back again. So from here, right click, copy, and here right click, paste, and let's record for 15 seconds. So I'm gonna put it for 15 seconds. Let's change this to 15 so we know. And The location will be, let's call it video easy. Save and exit. Let's go there. Let's go to this CD Robojax. So I'm here, dir, and that's the file that we are going to run. Video easy, and let me open it. I'm facing the robot, putting it somewhere. So the video is now recorded, but there is no display. I'm putting my hand in front of it. You don't see anything. This is without any viewing. We will see after 15 seconds it stopped. Here the video is already available. Now let's see it. Over the VNC, you cannot play it properly, so I have to connect it directly. This is not remote desktop, so let's double. I clicked on the wrong file. Let's open the video. And here, this is how it was. I was talking and, ooh, what did I do? So that was the video that I recorded. Let's create a file, video underscore h264.py. This is my file. Let's open it and copy this. Right click, copy. So this is the file. Let's name it properly, video.h. This is the extension. I'm not going to change it. Let's put this again, 15 seconds, and then stop recording, save it. And we can see the file here. Let's run it. I'm holding my finger now. This is 15 seconds. I'm moving my hand slowly so we can have a better video perhaps. Let's see. I'm recording it, but we don't see it because there is no preview. Stopped. Now I'm not on the remote desktop. This is connected directly. Let's go to the folder that we have, and our video is here. Let's just double click and play it. And as you can see, the video is playing very smoothly. Some area of the finger was making like that. I have no idea why, but that was the quality. And here there is an option called video with config. Let me zoom in so you can see it. Here, video configuration dot size, and we can put our size, and video configuration format YUV420, and this is the bitrate for H.264, and we are passing the value, the configuration, the name, and this is recording it for 5 seconds. Let's create our own file and see. And here I've created this file, and 800, let's put it 1920 because we want HD by 1080, and let's call it, so let's name it properly, video config, like that, and I'm saving it. Let's clear dir and that's my file, video with config. Let's run it. Video with config. Again, now I have to do something here. Not sure what you will see. Put my finger. Oh, this was 5 seconds. I think it's too short. Let's go and change it. Make it 15 seconds. Save. Let's go here and delete the 5 seconds. And run our code again. So this is HD, 15 seconds. Let's see, something like that. I have no idea what we will see here. So the video been recorded, and here the video is this video. Now I'm not on remote desktop, I'm directly connected to the board. Let's double click and run it. It's not even, wow, this is only in my finger area. You see this, but then it becomes better. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next lesson.